how work how to work in AdMob. At first you go your browser and type here AdMob. When you my IP is something problem, type in here is to front, change it. This option will not show if you use your real IP. Yes, submit. When you type AdMob, then you show in your country AdMob. My country is Bangladesh, so here show in Bangladesh. When you use the others country, here show will be others country. Now I am sign in. If not account, then you create another account. I have already signed in, so I am. At first you create an account from here, but I have already account, so I am login. This button click. Already loaded because I have already account. When get this display, then you create AdMob ad. At first you needed CPA, then you click in here and edit app. I will click in here and yes, sorry, that's wrong. I have already 3 ad for 3 apps, but I am created new apps, so click in here and edit apps. Otherwise click here or click here. So I am creating new process, so click in here, click, then you type the new and click here. Yes, type here app's name, my test. Sorry, no, back, no, back, close, app, edit. I have already published the Play Store, so no, Android, app's name, test, edit, create ad unit. Already CPA in here. Copy, next, create ad unit and click here, add banner, add initial. Create add banner, select, okay. Example name, unit example name as you wish. Want to create and CPA in here. So I am done now. Okay, add banner. I am clicking here and view all. Okay, now here already for add. Now I am going in beta.thankable.com. Okay, now sign in by Google account. I have already account, so already login, and sign out option is here. If you don't have account, please create the new account, then will be display your your profile. I have already a lot of apps create, but I am testing now, so create a new app. What is here name test, and I am type here test, test, and okay. Already here and already enter now my apps. Okay, enter, and here is skin name is 1. Now it will responsive skin portrait responsive hair, fixed size responsive. It is so needed, and scroll if you need it. And here is name. I will be change it here. Change, already change here. And title visible, title not in here. Now title visible, okay, here. And show sidebar height, show sidebar height, okay. Already show here person name, app's name is here, center, top center, okay, top, okay, responsive sidebar, okay. Now I am listing layout is here, layout is here, sorry, no need. Now horizontal scroll, background color pink, okay, white full parent height 550, okay, and paste in here image, okay, white 350, height, no height, full parent, height, picture upload from computer screen, okay, okay, height, okay, 0, okay, height white, okay. Now add, how added? Add is extension, click the extension and click AdMob banner. But at first I show the AdMob banner, test, click, sorry, add unit, add unit, it is banner, okay, it is banner. Now I am clicking here banner and paste here, that is my ad. And here test visible, okay, visible, my ad. Now I am clicking here blog, here is my image, and add banner. So I am clicking here initial, when skin initial, where skin is show, when skin show, then show is image visible, and AdMob add loaded, after add loaded, AdMob banner visible, logic is here true, and here will be true, okay. When skin was initial, then ad will be loaded and image will be visible true, and AdMob is equal true. Okay, and I will go now in add. Here is visible false and picture visible false. When skin will be visible, then add will be true and picture will be true. Okay, that's enough. For more, please contact with me.